Over the past couple of years, we have been a member of CAFC, which is the Caribbean Association of Fire Chiefs. And during this period, they have been given a course which is called JOLA and SOLA, two courses. One is JOLA is the Junior Officers Leadership Academy, and SOLA is the Seniors Leadership Officers Leadership Academy. We have taken several persons to attend this course, but we decided that the course can be productive and enlightening for much more than just the single persons we took over the years. So we decided to bring the course to St. Maarten. The course will be given to all persons to help them evolve and be able to attain a leadership position somewhere along the line in the coming years.
We are having a JOLA and SOLA training this week on St. Maarten for the fire officers, EMS officers, police officers. We also have guests from Boneiru, from the Boneiru Fire Department. And we have two senior instructors who have supported the Caribbean Association of Fire Chiefs, of which the Ambulans and the Fire Department is also a member of. And over the years, we have had a lot of trainings on the different islands. However, this time around, despite COVID situation, that was one of our challenges that we had also. However, they are here this week, these two senior instructors, and they will be conducting the JOLA, that's the Junior Officers Leadership, from the Junior Officers Leadership Academy and the Senior Leadership Officers Academy. The outcome that we are looking for during the course of this week, certainly at the end of this week, is that we are giving our officers the tools that is necessary at a junior level and also at a senior level as they move forward within their career for the future.